Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Kelly. This is KBellaBeauty, and I'm thinking a lot of you might be new today. Maybe not. This is an exciting video. I am going to be sharing with you ways to wear mauve lips, and this is a collab with several girls here on YouTube. My friend Micki from Makeup Chef, I think she contacted me a couple months ago. I mean, it's definitely been a few months, but she contacted me and said that one of her subscribers liked to wear colorful makeup, and she just kind of wanted to know how to wear different lipsticks and what lipsticks go with what eye looks. And so she had this idea, Micki had this idea to contact some of us here on YouTube and kind of come up with makeup looks for a certain lip color. So I know Micki did red lips. I'm going to be sharing with you different mauve lipsticks and different looks to create with each one. My friend Rachel Terry is going to be doing vampy lips, I believe. Smacy will be doing gray lips, and Lauren will be doing nude lips. So I will list all of their information in the bottom bar down below. I'm excited to check out their videos. I was excited to film this video because mauve lips are my absolute fave. So let's go ahead. I created some looks first. I've previously created some looks, so I'm going to go ahead and roll some clips of each look, and if you're interested in what my makeup was and what lipstick I was wearing, all of that will be listed down below.
There was a time when you had me falling to the ground like a king without a crown.
I will be doing a tutorial on this look here, and I will be showing you how I got this makeup look. I am using the Kylie Cosmetics Blue Honey palette. Is that what this is called? The Blue Honey palette? I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. I'm doing a review on this as well. I think the review is going to go up before this video, so I will link that here if you're interested in hearing my review. But this is the palette that I used to create this eye look, and the lipstick combo, I mean, you'll see it in the video, but the lipstick combo that I'm wearing is Buxom's Hush Hush Plump Line Lip Liner Crayon and Jeffree Star's Androgyny Lipstick. So let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. It's kind of a talk through. I talk through some of it, explain to you what I'm doing, and yeah, I will be showing you how I choose to wear mauve lipsticks. Okay, so I'm back, and you might be thinking, you're back? You didn't go anywhere? But I started filming an eye look. I had this eye look in mind. It was a cut crease, and I started trying it out, and I actually hated it. I did not like it, so I just took all my eye makeup off. We're gonna switch gears a little bit. I did already prime with my Urban Decay Eden Eyeshadow Primer Potion, and I set my eyeshadow or my eye primer with this Raw shade by Kylie Cosmetics. Now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which I'm pretty sure is Sweet Like Honey, if I'm reading that correctly. And I'm gonna take just my fluffy Sigma tapered blending brush and put this in the crease. I do want to incorporate some of these blue shades, which is what I was trying to do. I was trying to create like a blue cut crease, but it just wasn't working out for me. So we're gonna incorporate the color a different way. However, I do like this like orange shade to go all over the crease. I feel like it just warms up the eyelid nicely. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe Y19, and I'm going to take this shade right here, which I don't know how to read her eyeshadows. If you look on the back here, I don't know if I'm supposed to be looking at them this way when I think about the names, or if they're like, I think I'm supposed to like think of it this way. So I'm pretty sure this shade right here is Busy Bee, and then this one's Honeymoon. Not 100% sure, but I'm gonna take what I think is Busy Bee and just kind of put this a little bit lower in the crease, but kind of focus it on the outer part of the crease. Then what I thought about doing was I thought about taking this shade right here, which I think is Royal Jelly, and using that to create a winged eyeliner look. But I haven't practiced that, and since I already am starting over, I think what I'm gonna do is take that on the lower lash line. But I'm gonna take some of this raw and the same fluffy, what is this? I don't even know because I rubbed it off. This fluffy Real Techniques brush, and just kind of pat that on the lid a little bit to like lighten the lid up. And then we're gonna go in with this deeper shade, which I think is Honeymoon, and kind of press that onto the upper lash line to create like a little bit of a fuller lash look. So what I mean is, like, I'm gonna take this Y21 by Morphe. Let me get my mirror. And I'm gonna just press it onto the outer part of the lash line, and it's gonna create this like little bit of like a fuller lash effect. And I haven't decided yet if I'm gonna do falsies or not today. I typically, when I film, I like to wear falsies, but I'm just not sure that I'm feeling it. So this will help if I don't wear false eyelashes. This will help to create more of like volume in my upper lash line. Okay, so I think that's all we're gonna do for the upper lids. I'm gonna hop off camera. I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and then I'll come back to finish off the eyes with you. Okay, let's wrap this up, shall we? I did go with lashes. These are my Queen Bee lashes by Coco Lashes. Compliments of Desi and Katie, it's their favorite. I am using my IT Cosmetics CC Plus Cream for foundation with my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. For contour, I have MakeupGeek's Bad Habit Contour and Hoola by Benefit. I have my Flower Beauty Blush in Sweet Pea and my Gilded Honey Highlight. I think that's the rundown of everything. Let's go ahead and finish off the eyes. I do want to use this shade right here, which I'm pretty sure is called Royal Jelly. And I'm gonna take a pencil brush. This one is by Sigma. I am gonna dip it in and spritz it with some Fix Plus to hopefully get the best pigmentation possible. And then I'm gonna run this on the lower lash line. This is how we are going to get our pop of color. I mean, really, this is pretty much why I got this eyeshadow palette, was this shade right here. It is literally so beautiful. And I really don't think that I have anything like it. I might have some shades that are similar, but I don't really think I have anything super identical. Let's see what happens if I take a flat shader brush from e.l.f. and take that same shade and just press it even closer. Ah, I think I got some in my eye. Even closer to the lower lash line. So my dogs are not happy with me. If you are new because you're tuning in from the collab, welcome. I have two dogs. I have a 7-year-old Boston Terrier male named Bentley, and then I have an almost 9-month-old French Bulldog Royce. And every time my husband goes somewhere and like I'm watching them, it's usually like on the weekend and I'm trying to film, they go crazy and they just want to play nonstop, play. But if I go somewhere and I ask my husband what the dogs did, oh, they slept. I'm like, really? Yeah, the entire time you were gone, they slept. I'm like, why do they do that to me? Play, play, play. And they get into stuff and they knock stuff over. When it's just my husband, they're perfect angels. I don't get it. If you have small eyes like me, I recommend you taking a nude eyeliner pencil. This is just the Rimmel Exaggerate, and putting it in your waterline to make your eyes look a little bit bigger and brighter. But then I did go in with some of my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara and use that on my bottom lashes, although I feel like you can't tell. That's okay. The last thing that I want to do with the eyes is take this Buzz Off shade with my pinky, and I'm going to use that just to pop in the inner corner. It's not like a super light highlight. Typically I go for like a little bit of a brighter highlight, but that's what's in the palette, so that I'll have to do. Then we need to decide on a lip color. So I have 3 options. This one is Kylie Cosmetics. Gosh, the name is wearing off. Cosmic. I'm pretty sure this is Cosmic, although this looks like more of a nude than a mauve. I haven't even swatched this yet, so let's see here. So here's Cosmic. I guess it's kind of like a mauve, but maybe more of a nude, so perhaps not that one. But then we have Jeffree Star's Androgyny. I know Jeffree Star is controversial. Feel free to not support him if you don't want to, but there's Androgyny. And then I actually got this guy in my Play by Sephora. This is the Plump Line Lip Liner in Hush Hush, but it's like a lip crayon. And that's the shade there. So maybe let's go in with the lip crayon and maybe put a little bit of Androgyny on top. See how that looks. Place. So that is the Buxom Lip Crayon. Then I'll go in with Androgyny on top. And this is just one of the smaller little minis, and they smell like root beer. And here you have the finished look. Well, my loves, there you have it. This is the 5th and final look using mauve lipstick. Mauves are my favorite. I love mauves. I have a whole video. I'm pretty sure it's called like my favorite mauve lipsticks or something like that. I will link that right here if you're interested in checking that out. I did film it several months ago. It might even have been filmed at the end of 2017, but I go through my collection and kind of share with you some of my favorite mauve lips. If you do want to see more looks, definitely check my Instagram, because like I said, like mauves are my favorite. Like those are my go-to lip shades. That's what I love. So that is typically what I use when I'm doing makeup looks. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much, Micki, for asking me to be in this collab with you ladies. It was such a fun experience to kind of take some time over the past few months and create looks and use different mauve lipsticks, which are my favorites. And if you are coming from one of the other ladies' channels, thank you so much for visiting. I hope that you will consider subscribing before you go and becoming part of the Bella fam. But while you are finishing watching this video, I will be checking out Micki and Smacy and Lauren and Rachel's channels to see their lip picks. I'm excited to see what lipsticks they chose and what makeup looks went along with it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, Micki, for asking me to collab with you, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.